A very good afternoon to class 7th. Yesterday's lecture we have completed our chapter 13, right? And now today we will start the new chapter, which is chapter number 14, exponents and powers. In this chapter you will study about what is exponents, right? About the powers, base, exponential form, how to read these, right? So now firstly, so what do you mean by exponents, power, base? So students, in day-to-day life we have seen the numbers are written like this, right? 10 cross 10 cross 10 like this. So if I write like this 1 2 3 4 5, 10 to the power 5, this means also equal to this. 10 to the power 5 is also equal to, we will multiply 10 5 times, but this one is easy. ये क्या है? Easy. So what we call this? This 10 to the power 5, it is exponential form. What is it? It is exponential form. After this 10 to the power 5, this 5 is known as power. This is power, index, right? Power, index, exponent, these we call to the power. All three are equal. Power, index, exponent, all three are equal. This 10, this is equals to base. What we call this 10? Base, right? Right. So these are the, this one is exponential form, this one power, this 5, and जिस पे power होती है that we call the base. Power we call index, exponents and power, right? Like this one, a multiply with a multiply a multiply a. This is expression. What we call to this? This we call expression, right? After this, a to the power, how many? 1 2 3 4 4. So this a base equals to a, this 4 equals to power, or you can say index or exponent, right? Now if a4 b cube and b cube a4, is it equal? Is it equal? So see, a4 to b3, a multiply a multiply a multiply a, and b3, b multiply b multiply b. Now come to b3 a4, b multiply b multiply b, then a multiply a multiply a multiply a 4 times, right? After this, see, when we expand this, these both are looking same. So yes, these are same, but we can interchange the base from one position to second. We can here interchanging the base, but if you change the power a4 b3 and you will write b4 a3, then it is not equal, right? This one is not equal. Only you can interchange the positions with the base. Clear, students? So now come to the exercise. Before this also, if the negative power, if the power is in like this, negative number and power is here odd, then this will come as the negative one. And if the power of any negative number even, here I am talking about the power, if the power of any number, any negative number is even, then it becomes positive one, right? अगर पावर्स ओड है नेगेटिव नंबर की, देन द नंबर विल ऑल्सो बी नेगेटिव. And if the power of negative number is even, then this is also change into positive sign. Clear, students? So in this exercise, what? Firstly, exponential form of a number is a number expressed as a repeated multiplication of its factor. Repeated multiplication of its factors. Second is the number that is repeatedly multiplied by itself is called the base. What is this? Base. Next, the exponent power or the index is the exponent power and index is the number of the times the base is multiplied by itself. This power, exponent, or you can say the index, is the number of times the base is multiplied by itself, right? Next point is, if the power of negative number is odd, then the product is also come in the form of negative numbers. And if the power of the negative number is even, then it will be the positive number. Clear, students? After this, come to the exercise 14.1. In this exercise, first question, K1 is identify the base and exponent in the following exponential form. So the forms are, A is 86 to the power 2. How you will read it? 86 to the power 2. Base. What is base? Base is 86 and exponent, or you can say the power is 2. Exponent or base, right? Next, B is 1 to the power 5. So what is here base? In this, base is 1 and exponent, or you can say the power is 5, right? Next one, C, 2 to the power 9. So here base is 2 and exponent, or you can say the power is 9. After this, D part, 2 by 3 to the power 3. So here what is base? Base equals to 2 by 3 and exponent, so, and the power, or you can say exponent, is 3. Next is minus 2 to the power 7. So देखो यहाँ पे जो power है वो odd number है, power is odd. So if you will multiply and find the product of this, the product is also come as the negative form, right? So, but here we have to find the base and exponent. So base is minus 2 and exponent is 7. Clear? Now come to the K2. In K2, factorize the following numbers and express them in their exponential form. So factorize means you have to find. So here first K2, A part is first 96. So we have to find the factor of this, and factor of this are C. 2 cross 2 cross 2. How to find the factor? You can find the factor like this. 2 4 is 8, 2 is 16. Then 24, then 12, then again with 6, then again with 2, 3. So 3 come, right? So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then it will be 2 to the power 5 multiplied 3 to the power 1. Right? This is the exponential form. You can express this 96 with another number also, like with 4, with 3. Right? After this, K third. Find the value of the numbers in the exponential form. Here we have to find the value. And value means like 2 to the power 5. Firstly, you will expand it like this, 2 5 times. Then 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and 16 to the 32. So what come here? 32. Right? Now B part, 7 to the power 3. Write 7 3 times. 7 sevens are 49. 49 multiply with 7, which is equals to 343. Clear? This is the way to find the value of the exponential form. Clear, students? After this, the next K4. K4 is filling the blanks with greater than or less than. Here all the numbers like this. A part, it is given 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 2. Which one is greater? So firstly find the value of this. 2 to the power 3 equals to 8 and 3 to the power 2 equals to 9. Which one is greater? This one. So like this. B part, 3 to the power 4 and 4 to the power 3. How it? When you solve it, it will 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, and 27 3s are 81. Same for this. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. Which one is greater? This one. Right? So in the exponential form, after finding the value, it is easy to check which one is greater and which one is smaller. Right, students? Now, with this, come to the S1, which is find whether the product of the given number a positive number or a negative number. So 5 to the power 6 multiply minus 3 to the power 7 multiply minus 2 to the power 5. Right? So firstly what you will do, expand it, solve it. यहाँ देखो 5 to the power 6 है, minus 5 नेगेटिव नंबर, बट पावर जो है दैट इज इवन. तो यहाँ से क्या आएगा हमें इवन. यहाँ पे ओड पावर है, सो इट विल कम ओड, एंड हेयर ऑल्सो ओड. सो ओड एंड ओड दे विल मेक it even. So the product of the given number will come as the positive number. Clear? And to make it correct, you will solve the complete and find the value of this. So यहाँ पे जो आएगा आपको क्या करना है, फर्स्टली इनकी वैल्यूज फाइंड करो, देन यू विल चेक द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द गिवन नंबर इज पॉजिटिव नंबर और नेगेटिव नंबर. राइट? आफ्टर दिस come to the S2. Find the value of 3 the power 2x plus 1 if x equals to 1. So here Put the value of x. 2 multiply 1 plus 1, which is equals to 2 ones are 2 plus 1. Again base will remain the same, 2 plus 1 3, and 3 to the power 3 when you solve it is equals to 81, cause 3 multiply with 3 multiply 3, 3 3, sorry, here it comes 27, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 81 will come when the power of the 3 is 4, like here. Power of the 3 is 3, 3 to the power 3, which is equals to 27, right? Now come to S3. Find the value of x plus y. If means condition is there, and condition is 64 equals to minus 2 the power x and 729 equals to 9 to the power y. So for this type of questions what you will do, 64 को expand करो, 2 3 are 6, 2 again with 2 16, again with 2 18, again with 2 9. See, here will come 8, here will come 4, then again with 2 2, again with 2 1. How many? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So this is equals to minus 2 to the power 6, right? Or you can write here 64 equals to minus 2 to the power x, and here 64 can be 2 to the power x. So base is same, so the value of x is 6. Same we will do with the 729. 9 8s are 72, 1 again with 9, 81 divided by 9, 9 come 1. So 729 equals to 9 to the power y, and it is equals to 9 to the power 3 equals to 9 to the power y. So the value of the y is equals to 3. We have to find the value of x plus 3. So it is equals to 6 plus 3 equals to 9. So what come here? 9. Clear this one? Because it is already mentioned here, we have to find in the power of 2 and with the base 9. Right? Now come to S4. What will be the value of m if minus 2 the power 3 multiply minus 5 the power 2 equals to 50 m? So same we will solve it. नेगेटिव नंबर है -2 एंड पावर जो है वो क्या है, ऑड नंबर. सो प्रोडक्ट विल बी कम इन ऑड. 2 2 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. मल्टीप्लाई नेगेटिव नंबर बट पावर इज ऑड. 5 5 जा 25 एंड इट इज इक्वल्स टू दिस. नाउ मल्टीप्लाई नेगेटिव 25 8 जा 200 which is equals to 50 m. Here 50 and m is in the form of multiplication, so it will change the position, change the side and become the denominator. 0 cut by 0, 5 4s are 20, so m equals to -4 or you can say -4. Clear this one? The value of the m is equals to -4. Firstly आप solve करो, then find the value. Here it comes -200 equals to 50 m, and after that it is easy for finding the value m equals to -4. Right? Now come to the next question. Now S5. What should be multiplied with 5 to the power 2 to get the product is 225. Write the answer in the exponential form. So what we do, let the number be multiplied here, x. Let the number multiplied equals to x, right? 5 to the power 2 multiply with x equals to 225. Solve it. 5 5s are 25, multiply x. So again I will take this 25 here with the transposition method which we have done in chapter 13. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड टू राइट हैंड साइड, मल्टीप्लिकेशन से किस में आ जाएगा आपका, डिवीजन में. 225 डिवाइड बाय 25 एंड इट इज इक्वल्स टू 9. x इक्वल्स टू 9. आफ्टर दिस एक्सपोनेंशियल फॉर्म 9 कैन बी 3 multiply 3, so it is equals to 3 to the power 2. So value of x equals to 3 to the power 2. Clear this one? Very easy question. And answer is x equals to 3 to the power 2. Now the next question S6. What is the value of x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4? If condition is given here, 4 to the power x equals to 64 and 6 to the power y equals to 36. So firstly क्या करना है, हमें x और y की वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है. 4 to the power x equals to 64. So देखो 4 4s are 16 and 16 4s are 64. It means if I write 64 as 4 to the power 3, अगर बेस सेम है बेटा, इफ बेस इज सेम देन पावर्स आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. सो x इक्वल्स टू 3, राइट. इफ बेस इज सेम देन पावर्स आर ऑल्सो इक्वल. नेक्स्ट है 6y इक्वल्स टू 36. सो 36 इज 6 multiply 6 which is 6 to the power 2. Same 6 to the power equals y equals to 6 to the power 2. So value of y is equals to 2. Now x equals to 3 and y equals to 2. We have to find x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4. Put the values of x, 3 to the power 4 plus 2 to the power 4. Now solve it. 3 multiply 4 time plus 2 multiply 4 time. 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27 and 27 3s are 81 plus 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 2s are 16. So it is equals to 97, right? So x to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 equals to 97. Clear this one? So this is the last question of this exercise 14.1, which is about the exponent powers. Clear students? If anyone have any problem in this exercise, you can comment and you can ask. After this we will start our next topic, which is about the laws of exponents. This we will discuss in the next lecture.